Hello Abhishek, Chaitanya, Hassan, Purvika and Shubhangi. So in this tutorial, I will show to you how to set up the BASF2 environment in your KEKCC computing account. BASF2 stands for Bell2 Software Analysis Framework. Okay, so I am logged in into my KEKCC account. So first I will create a directory. Name of the directory that I've given is BSF2 underscore 18 Feb 2024. So I put a date stamp so as to identify on which date I created this directory. So let's cd into this directory. Now we have to set the BSF2 environment. For this we have to source a script called b2 setup, and this is the command. Let's copy it. Now it says Bell2 software tool setup at this location. Now we have to execute b2 code create and name of some directory, again that can be identified with today's date. Okay, now it is asking me to enter passphrase for the key. Okay, so if you remember, we created two keys, id underscore rsa and id underscore rsa dot pub. So when creating those keys that exist in the .ssh folder, we created a passphrase. So we have to provide that passphrase. So let me enter my passphrase. And if you remember, we copied the content of the public key to the SSH key at your GitLab account. Okay, it's again asking to enter the same passphrase for the SSH key. Okay, now we have started receiving objects and progress is shown here. So right now it's 43% done. So receiving object is 100% done here. So let's wait for a few more minutes. Okay, now it is saying branch main setup to track remote branch main from origin, switch to a new branch main, and new local directory created for head version. This is the directory that we created. Now we have to change to this directory and execute the b2 setup command. So let's do cd, then b2 setup, and this is the local developmental directory. Now we have to compile the various packages. So for compilation, the command is scons. And this compilation can take maybe up to 1 hour 45 minutes or so. So have patience, and during compilation you may see some warnings or errors, just ignore. So right now I am stopping the screen recording, and I will resume once the compilation is done, and that will be in the second part of the tutorial.